Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at today is the specialism and the electrotechnical activities. Okay, and this is unit 303. Okay, now again, unit 303 links into unit 313. Okay, in regards to the work-based MVQ folder. Okay. Now again, here I don't need to do a lot of talking because this at this level is self-explanatory. Okay. Here you look at the organizational structure. You need to draw these out for yourselves so you know how the organizational structure is developed. And look at drawing out one for your company that you work for yourself. They can provide you with a copy from human resources, but you still need to draw it out so you know how it is constructed. Okay? Okay, thank you. I will hope you find this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.